Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon kung bakit natalo si Governor Gwen Garcia sa pagka-governor sa Cebu. May napakagandang post tungkol nito. Kaya meron pa tayong stock ng dark chocolate. Kaya dito kayo magtawag or mag-text order 0916-9000-997. Ito po yung stock natin, no? Yan, preskong-presko. Pure organic tablia from Bukidnon. Hindi ako nagnenegosyo nito. Umiinom lang ako araw-araw and it adds to my healthy living style. Gusto ko lang din matulungan ang mga farmers ng Bukidnon na nagtatanim ng kakao para makabenta ng kanilang products. Ito, may isinare ni Sas Rogando Saso. Sabi niya, the story behind a tragedy. Isinare ni Sas yung post ni Info Cebu. Title, How did Gwen Garcia lose to a nobody? A Cebuano plot twist worthy of a teleserye. Ako, hindi ko akalain na mananalo si Governor-elect Pam Baricuatro. Kasi hindi ko kilala eh. Kaya itong title na nobody, agree ako dito. She came from nowhere. Hindi siya politiko. Si Pam. Sabi nga sa interview ni Karen Davila, hindi ka naman politiko. Sabi niya. Sa corporate world siya nagtrabaho. Bakit siya biglang nanalo? Ito, basahin natin ha. No, you're not dreaming. Yes, Gwen Garcia, Cebu's Iron Lady, undefeated for 2 decades, slayer of political giants, actually lost. And not just to anyone, but to someone many thought was just a nuisance candidate. Kaya hindi ko siya binibigyan ng pansin noon. Sino ba yung Pam Baricuatro, ha? Yun lang. Hindi ako naging curious sa resulta o mangyari sa Cebu dahil alam kong malakas Gwen Garcia. Lalo na nung nagbenta sila ng 20 pesos per kilong bigas. Lalo na. Even some of those who voted for Pam Baricuatro are still rubbing their eyes in disbelief. Yung bang hindi ka makapaniwala? Ano ko? Ha? Totoo? Nanalo? Gwen's political record reads like a Hall of Fame lineup. Example, Martinez, Yapa, Davide, Magpali, Dorano. One by one, they fell. She ran circles around seasoned politicians with bailiwicks, money, and machinery. In 2025, it seemed she was set for a walk in the park, backed by the ruling party, supported by 50 mayors. Grabe, no? Except Danao City and virtually unopposed. Then came Pam. No fancy title, no political machinery, no mayoral allies, just guts, timing, and perhaps divine plot twist. Dito tayo sa divine. Ito, maniniwala ko, it's a divine story. So, what went wrong for Gwen? And how did Pam go from who that to Governor Pam? O who that? Yung sino ba yan? Number 1, the Duterte effect. Yan. Right before PRRD got arrested, he showed up in Cebu and raised Pam's hand. Boom! Instant spark. The rally crowd was massive, reminding everyone that Cebu is still very much Duterte country. That moment was no longer just a photo op, it was a political awakening. Yan. Think sa Mandawi to. Number 2, Sara's impeachment, the tipping point. Cebuanos were livid when VP Sara Duterte was impeached, with some of their own representatives signing off on it. Facebook pages became war zones. Gwen kept quiet at first, trying to stay above the fray. But silence is loud when people are angry. Rallies turn into shouting matches. Duterte! Duterte! Rang louder than speeches. Too little, too late. She eventually voiced her support, but the damage had been done. Number 3, Dumanhog disaster. Ito yung bayan na kung saan nagpunta si PBBM. I think May 5, Dumanhog disaster. Just when things were cooling down, Gwen took the microphone in Dumanhog and pledged support for President Marcos. Cebuano Facebook, boom! Instant rage. The backlash was swift and brutal. Pam, meanwhile, was quietly gaining traction, riding the wave of discontent, powered not by fans, but by prostrated Facebookers. Number 4, Inter Byron, the final blow. Byron, yung kapatid ng gobernadora. And then Byron Garcia happened. Famous for political blogs that mix humor and haymakers, Byron went off script. He didn't just critic Pam. He attacked Duterte supporters, calling them oploks. Dito pala nagsimula yung oplok. Sabi ko, ano yung oploks? Galing pala sa kapatid ni Governor Gwen. Oploks. Big mistake. That word turned into a war cry. Hashtag oplok trended. It was everywhere. From timelines to tricycles. His online war with a commentator days before the election was Cebu's version of a primetime teleserye. People from mountain barangays to island barangays turned in, some for drama, others for validation. Come election day, people walk into presence with conviction in their eyes and a praise on their lips. Mga uplok kami. And just like that, Gwen's political dynasty met its first ever knockout. Grabe. Ganda ng pagkasulat, no? Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Darwin Simpelo, tragedy. When the winning's gone and you can't go on, it's tragedy. When the morning cries and you don't know why, it's hard to bear. With no one to love you, you're gone somewhere. Ellen Tony, it's not tragedy. Putting yourself above the law is a no-go for Cebuanos. No, Cebuanos are oplok. We are smart people. She's not invincible. Ano bang meaning ng oplok? First time kong marinig ngayong eleksyon. Oplok? Bobo? Ganun ba yun? Okay. Congratulations to a nobody. Now, Governor Pam Baricuatro. At ang maganda dito kay Governor-elect, ina-acknowledge niya hindi siya mananalo kung hindi dahil sa endorsement ng ating minamahal na Tatay Digong. That's humility. That's utang na loob. Let's pray for the success sa governance ni Pam Baricuatro. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Dahil ang sweldo natin is pantulong sa tribo, namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga libreng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Upod ni ang natabangan na magyero. So ako silang bisitahon. Ayo! Maayong udto! Oo. Oo, sige. Ug karon mao na ni ang nahatag sa ilang nga yero. So nakaatop na gid sila. So nindot na gid nga tan-awon. So karon unsay imong maistorya bahin sa nahatag sa inyo nga yero ug karon maayo na ang inyong atop?
Nagpasalamat ko sa Ginoo og sa nagtan-aw sa video. Og sa nag-sponsor ani nga matagaan mi kay para dili na mi maulanan. Og nang hinaot usab ko nga dagan pang matabangan kay dagan pa ang nanginhanglan. Og dili pud mi makabalay kung wala mi na tagaan ani kay karon nga panahon lisod jud kaayo. Munang nagpasalamat jud ko kay naay nag-sponsor ani nga siya gyud ang gihikap sa Ginoo nga siya mohatag sa amo og yero.
Mm.
Og salamat jud kaayo.
Sige, salamat.